Hello, day 3. So I thought for day 3, you could pick your room that is driving you the craziest. So whichever room is causing you the most problems with clutter, that's the room that we picked today. And for me, that's the storage room. I know people are so sick of seeing my storage rooms. Like, so many of my videos are about my storage rooms. But that just goes to show you that I've held on to way too many things. Like, well, and there's 6 of us. So 6 of us have held on to way too many things. But mostly it's me and Alan, because the kids, all the stuff they're holding on to is in their bedrooms. This is me. This is my problem. So I'm going to go through this, and I've got a trash can, and I've got my Goodwill bag. That's just bags of things to get rid of. And this is my goes to other room basket. So anything that goes to another room, once my 15 minutes is over, that'll help me like stay focused and present in this room and get max out my 15 minutes. Yesterday I said 10 and then I did 15. Today we're just gonna say 15 because wow, you can accomplish so much in 15 minutes. It blows my mind. Anyway, so pick your most stressful room that has like the most surfaces or is causing most problems. Like for me, this room causes the most problems because we're missing stuff. Yesterday, I found the camouflage blanket that Alan wanted last week for a trip that he took where he had to stay in the barracks. And I was like, I don't even know where to begin to find that camo blanket. Like, I could tell you I'll keep my eyes out for it, but I can tell you right now I'm not gonna find it. And I didn't, but I found it as soon as the day he got back from his trip. I decided to declutter in here, and lo and behold, I found it. First box I opened. I didn't even know the box was there because there was so much stuff piled on top of it. So anyway, so pick your most aggravating room that's causing you the most problems, and let's declutter for 15 minutes with a trash bag, a goes to other room bag, and a give it away, or sell it, just get rid of it bag. Okay, so we will start and have a little timer or a watch that you're looking at or just something. So I'm starting mine now. We're gonna go 15 minutes. So I don't know if you can tell what a huge improvement that made, but I just got rid of a whole second layer right here, and back there behind those bins, I got rid of a whole layer. Most of it empty boxes, and a few were winter shoes that I needed to get out anyway, that I just gotta find a place for because I have a tiny closet. And anyway, it's just amazing the difference 15 minutes makes. And if you have more than 15 minutes, you can do 20. I only do 15 because that created so much stuff that I don't want in here that I now have to get rid of and find a place to get rid of it, whether it's Goodwill or a lot of it was empty containers, and I think some of the boys might could use some of those empty containers, so I need to find like a holding place for them until I finish going through everybody's room. But not too many. I should get rid of a bunch of the empty containers. But I'm going to give everybody a chance to claim them. I'm going to put them out for the community of this house, the 6 people in this house, to claim me these containers that they want. Then I can get rid of them. And I threw away a lot of trash, and I recycled about 50 grocery sacks. I think I use those all the time, but I don't use them as fast as they're coming in. So maybe I actually should use some of those reusable bags. It's a work in progress. So anyway, so exciting. I hope that you do your 15 minutes today. If you are about to do it now, have fun. Have fun with it. This can be a fun job. Bye guys. Have a good day.